Yo! Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a McDonald's. This one's going about 3 miles. I'm hoping today is a quick and easy day, stress-free, because I am so tired.
Nathan?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you. Total for that one was $7. Not bad, not bad. Next up is a different McDonald's. This one is going about 4 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
I just have a DoorDash for 4E4.
What was it?
Got the DoorDash for 4E4.
Okay. Let's go to the second window. Thank you.
Okay. Drinks are in here too.
Thank you. Total for that one was $8 and change. Okay, that was a good one. Not a bad start so far. Going right back to that same McDonald's. I wish they gave me this order like 2 minutes ago, because now by the time that I get there, the lobby's gonna be open and I gotta get outside of my car. This one is going 1 mile, so probably a no tip.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Total for that one was $5 and change. It didn't take too long, but it was a no tip. It's been probably 10 minutes since the last order was dropped off. Finally got the next order. This is Black Rock Coffee going just under 5 miles. Yeah, I've got Monique.
Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. This will be on the top floor. That's gonna be a no tip. Very nice. Total for that was $4. And just got the next order. This is a Carl's Jr. going 4 miles. This is going to an apartment complex and they don't have one listed. I can see in their previous drop-off picture that there's a number, which would be useful if it wasn't reused for every single letter of the alphabet. I did message them as soon as I left the restaurant, and I'm almost gonna get to the apartment, so you're kind of annoying me. Okay, we're here. Do you want your food or not?
Hello?
Hi. Oh, aren't you so cute? My cats never do that. Well, Sadie does flop sometimes, but she just does it to get in the way. Anyways, total for that one was $7. It would have been okay if I wasn't annoyed by it. Got the next orders right away. This is a stacked McDonald's. I believe it said it was going 6.5 miles. Total for that stack was $13. Next up, got a Starbucks. This one is $8 going 5 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Sherry's, $11 going 7 miles.
Thanks, honey. Bye, you guys. Bye.
Just sitting here waiting for an order. That one is trash. It's been about almost 20 minutes since I dropped off that last order. It took me a while to drive back into my zone, and I've been sitting here for a few minutes. Oh, I just realized why it's so slow right now. They threw on peak pay for DoorDash and Uber. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna get any more orders. Got this order as soon as I passed the restaurant. This is Angels going 5 miles.
Good morning, welcome in.
Total for that order was $8. Not bad at all. Got this next one pretty much right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $15 going 5 miles, 3 items.
Guest assistance at the premium liquor cabinet.
Yep, just that one. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here. It's back to being slow again. Current time is 8:59. Current total is 81, and I think just waiting on the Uber tip for that last order, which I don't think it's gonna give me too much. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.